Hello, hello, YouTube. So we are here. We got Doe Moto here, and Unique Shelby over here, and we're gonna go to West Hollywood to pick up a GoPro. Doe Moto's never lane split before. I'm sure she'll be fine. Open every day. Todos los días. When a song comes on that makes you groove, and you're one with your bike, and you're with your friends, and the sun is shining, that's a good day right there. Thanks, buddy. Doe Moto. I like watching the shadows of bikes on the ground. Welcome to Hollywood. What's your dream? Idiot. Idiot. Oh my god, dude. Did you see that?
I was like, are you
oblivious. She was on her phone. She's just chilling on her phone.
I was like, cool, there's not like two fucking bikes coming. Alright.
It's ridiculous. Go ahead. Those are cool bikes. Cruisers. Trejo's cough.
Trejo's cough.
Have you seen YouTube videos of people using those scooters? They're freaking hilarious. Where'd your bumper go, buddy? Are you leaving? here in Hollywood, the Hollywood Walk of Fame, just riding around, and let's check it out.
Are you happy now?
Social media is selling your shit. Oh no! Excellent parking. Hollywood. Hollywood, bruh.